all in one portable gym. Work out anywhere, anytime. Proven NASA resistance technology used on space station replaces weights. The OYO Gym is powered by our patented SpiraFlex resistance technology used to keep NASA astronauts in shape on the International Space Station. World's only exercise device that applies resistance to both sides of muscle groups in one motion, building a balanced body in half the time. Combining strength with movement, without weight or momentum, our portable gym is the new way to get fit where you are right now. The OYO Gym is the heavy-duty, second generation of our popular double flex, featuring more resistance and cable extension, and this gym folds up to fit in your pocket or carry bag.